In this lesson, we'll go over how to set up your tablet. You can apply similar settings to your own pen tablet, so feel free to use this as a reference. For this tutorial, I'll be using a Wacom pen tablet. First, open Wacom Center. Make sure your tablet is connected to your computer, otherwise you won't be able to configure the settings properly. Next, double-click on Pen Settings from the window. Once the Settings window appears, the first step is to add Zbrush to the application list. To do this, Zbrush needs to be running, so go ahead and open it first. Click the plus icon on the right, select Zbrush from the list, and add it. After adding it, make sure the Tools section is set to your pen tablet and that the Zbrush icon is selected. Then, assign the button near the tip of your pen to right-click. You can adjust the other settings on the left to suit your preferences, but for now we'll proceed with the default settings. Next, let's configure the mapping settings. Enable force proportions to maintain the correct aspect ratio. If this option is unchecked, your brush movements might become distorted, so be sure to turn it on. That's it for the pen tablet setup.